Did you know turmeric, especially its oils, can do wonders for your skin? You've probably heard about its health benefits, but today we'll explore how turmeric oil can be your skincare secret weapon and how to use it effectively. We'll also share 2 turmeric drink recipes to boost your health from the inside. Benefits of turmeric oil for the skin. Turmeric oil is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a powerful skincare tool. Reduce redness and inflammation. Turmeric oil calms irritated skin, making it ideal for acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Fight premature aging. Rich in antioxidants, it helps combat free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines, promoting collagen and improving skin elasticity. Brighten skin and fade dark spots. Regular use can reduce hyperpigmentation and give your skin a glowing complexion. Heal wounds and prevent infections. Its antibacterial properties help clean skin and speed up healing for minor cuts, burns, or acne. How to use turmeric oil. Here are the best ways to use turmeric oil for maximum results. Dilute and apply directly. Always mix turmeric oil with a carrier oil like coconut, almond, or jojoba oil to prevent irritation while delivering the benefits to your skin. Make a turmeric face mask. Combine turmeric oil with honey and yogurt for a nourishing mask. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off for radiant skin. Boost your moisturizer. Add a few drops of turmeric oil to your daily moisturizer for an antioxidant-rich boost that protects against environmental damage. Spot treatment for acne. Apply a diluted mix directly to breakouts to reduce redness and prevent infections. Precautions and side effects. Before using turmeric oil, keep these precautions in mind. Patch test first. Test on a small area like your wrist before applying it to your face to avoid allergic reactions. Moderation is key. Use in small amounts and always dilute it to prevent skin irritation. Consult a dermatologist. If you have sensitive skin or an existing condition, seek professional advice before use. Bonus tips. Pair with other oils. Combine turmeric oil with tea tree or lavender oil for extra skin benefits. Store properly. Keep turmeric oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. Turmeric drink recipes for extra benefits. Boost your health from the inside with these turmeric drinks. Drink 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cinnamon, quarter teaspoon ginger, optional. Pinch of black pepper, honey to taste. Drink 2 half teaspoon turmeric powder or fresh grated turmeric, 1 cup fresh orange juice, half teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Pinch of black pepper. Heat, stir well, and enjoy these anti-inflammatory drinks for overall health. Conclusion. Turmeric oil is a natural powerhouse for your skin, addressing issues like acne and aging. Always use it with caution to enjoy its full benefits. Let's take our skincare to the next level with natural ingredients like turmeric. Subscribe and support me with a like if you're ready for healthier skin. See you next time.